Hi, I'm Tony Bingham, President and CEO of the Association for Talent Development. Welcome to ATD 26. This year we're heading to the vibrant city of Los Angeles, California, a place where imagination becomes innovation. And that's exactly what ATD 26 is all about. In an era defined by AI, rapid change, and tighter resources, today's talent development leaders must do more than adapt. They must lead. ATD 26 empowers you to harness disruption, strengthen your strategic impact, and guide your organization confidently into the future. With more than 400 sessions, world-class speakers, and more than 400 exhibitors, this year's program is designed to inspire, educate, and empower the global learning and development community. We're excited to host ATD 26 in Los Angeles, California, a city that has redefined reinvention time and time again. From the bright lights of Hollywood to the energy of Silicon Beach, LA embodies creativity, transformation, and the power of bold ideas. ATD's international presence is unmatched, drawing attendees from more than 80 countries and offering a diverse range of sessions with global perspectives. It highlights the special experiences created by ATD's global team, such as the International Welcome Lunch, the Global Village, and other curated events to ensure our international participants feel supported, connected, and celebrated. This year's conference will be a memorable experience, and we can't wait to see you there. Let's build the future of talent development together.
Bienvenidos a ATD 2026，欢迎参加 ATD 2026。
ようこそロスへ。皆さん一緒に学びましょう。
2026년 ATD 컨퍼런스에 오신 것을 환영합니다.
أهلا وسهلا فيكم ب ATD 2026.
Welcome to ATD 2026.
Welcome to ATD 2026.